Parental involvement. Mappineering can enhance parental involvement in education. Start with parental involvement at the center. Branch out to communication strategies, parent-teacher conferences, volunteer opportunities, and homeschool collaboration. Under communication, include methods like newsletters, emails, and phone calls. For volunteer opportunities, list classroom helpers and event organizers. This visual representation helps organize and plan effective strategies to engage parents in their children's education. Mind maps can make fostering parental involvement more structured and impactful. Can you dig it? I knew that you could. Peace.